Hi, it's Matthew here. Many students are looking for practical methods to help them develop their English. This makes sense because English is a practical skill. However, there are more things that you can do, and one of which is to create the right mental attitude. Unfortunately, I meet many students that hold very limiting beliefs towards their English. And due to these limiting beliefs, they never seem to make much progress and they're constantly going round in circles. So the main idea is to change these limiting beliefs for more empowering ones. How can you do that, you may ask? Well, in this video, I want to share with you a simple 5-step process to help you create and use your own positive affirmations towards English.
Step 1. Identify limiting beliefs. These are those statements that you make that sound like this. I'm no good at English. I find English difficult. I will never speak English fluently. You will know that they are limiting because they don't make you feel good. It may take some time to uncover all your limiting beliefs towards English, but you will eventually notice them. Step 2. Visualize your desired outcome or goal. Let's say that you want to reach English fluency or speak at native level. This is your goal or your aspiration. It is important to be clear and specific as possible. Now you want to think in a way that it takes you towards your goal and not away from it. Step 3. Create your affirmations. Once you've visualized your goal, it is now time to create your positive statement. It's a good idea to use the present tense for this, as it implies you already have achieved the goal, not that you're waiting for it to happen in the future. Always make your statements positive and empowering. Step 4. Write them down. A good way to remind us of our personal affirmations is to write them down somewhere, preferably where you will often see them. Step 5. Repetition. The magic lies in the repetition. Make sure to repeat your affirmation as many times as you can. Rather than repeat them mentally or out loud, another alternative would be to make a recording of yourself repeating these affirmations and listening to them.
So now you understand the 5-step process to creating and using your own positive affirmations. The key is to repeat them on a daily basis. They only really work with constant repetition. So if at first you don't feel any different towards English, be patient, you will feel the difference soon. I can guarantee for those of you that try this, you really will make a difference to your English practice. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and share it with your English learner friends so that we can reach more English learners. Until next time, thanks for watching and goodbye.